Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts, which are here on Vivo V29 Lite. To edit the notification panel shortcuts, slide down from the top of your screen. You can see that here are the quick shortcuts, and when you slide down again you see more shortcuts, and then you can click on the pencil button to change them. Just drag them down to remove from the list, or to add to the list, just drag it up. You can also rearrange them by dragging, like that. Also, these two at the top can be also rearranged. So I'm gonna put mobile data here as a small shortcut and put Bluetooth as a big shortcut. Also remember that these two big shortcuts and first 6 of these small shortcuts will be available in the quick access menu. So when you go back, you can see that it's now edited. And when you slide up, now in the quick access menu, these are my shortcuts. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.